In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and create an invoice with the correct HST setup. This instructional guide is perfect for those who are using QuickBooks to manage their business finances and need a step-by-step walkthrough. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. If you want a smoother experience, I highly recommend using Chrome. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the QuickBooks Online website by typing in quickbooks.intuit.com in your address bar. As the page loads, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and enter your credentials to get into your account. This sets the stage for managing your business's finances seamlessly. Now, let's make sure that the Harmonized Sales Tax, or HST, is all set up properly within your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot a gear icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to navigate various options. Look for the Taxes section and then select Sales Tax. Doing so will open up a new window where you can check if your HST is set up. In case it's not, don't worry. You can easily rectify this by selecting the option marked Add, Edit Tax Rates and Agencies. Follow the prompts to add your HST rate, ensuring everything is set correctly for future transactions. With your HST configured, let's go ahead and create a new invoice. Head to the top left of your screen and click on the big, bold, plus new button. A list of new items you can create will appear, and from this list, you should select Invoice. This is where we start putting together the details of your customer transaction. As you open the invoice template, start by choosing which customer this invoice is for. You'll do this from the drop-down customer list, then proceed to add the products or services you're billing for, along with their amounts. Adding these details accurately is crucial for maintaining clear records and ensuring your customers receive accurate charges. Now it's time to ensure your invoice includes the correct HST. Just below the product and service lines, locate the sales tax section. Here, you'll select the HST tax rate you previously set up. QuickBooks will take over from here, automatically calculating the HST amount, adding it to the invoice, and ensuring there's no room for error. After inputting all your details, take a moment to review the total amount. Confirm that the subtotal, the calculated HST amount, and the grand total align with your expectations. Accuracy at this stage is vital to avoid any billing discrepancies. Finally, with everything in order, decide how you'd like to finalize your process. If you're ready to send the invoice immediately, click Save and Send to email it directly to your customer. Alternatively, if you'd rather save it for later, you can simply select Save and Close. And that's it. You've successfully created an invoice in QuickBooks Online, complete with HST. Thank you for following along, and I hope this process empowers you to manage your invoicing with greater confidence and precision.